On the surface, these look like three unrelated headlines. Ads arriving inside an assistant, a publisher lawyering up, and agent tools quietly leveling up. But they rhyme. The money shows up, the lawyers show up, and the toys grow up. Hey friend, it's Tuesday, December 9, 2025. The theme today, AI is entering a phase of discipline where revenue, rights, and reliability decide who wins. Google is wiring ads into Gemini starting next year. For Google, this converts model burn into margin using the core engine it already trusts, paid placement. For you, this changes user acquisition math. Assistant surfaces become ad inventory, and that means your CAC could shift from search pages to chat replies inside someone else's product. Expect sponsored tools, paid citations, and bidding against workflows, not keywords. My take. This is a defensive bridge from search to chat that protects Google's cash machine by bringing ads to where attention is drifting. Bull case, cleaner monetization, faster payback on model spend. Bear case, users reject ads in their assistant and migrate to pay or ad-light options like ChatGPT Plus or Perplexity. If you build on assistant distribution designed for disclosure and controls today, because policy knobs will move under your feet. Because money invites liability, we land on the lawsuit. The New York Times is suing Perplexity, alleging it copied millions of articles, including paywalled pieces for retrieval without permission. Using our framework here. The signal? Training and retrieval that bypass consent will be taxed either in court or at the licensing desk. The noise? Marketing claims that fair use covers everything at scale. The second order effect, RAG pipelines become compliance products with provenance tracking, audit logs, and kill switches for sources that revoke access. Founder lens, line up licenses for premium corpora, prune your caches, add per source attribution and opt-out honoring, and budget for content fees that behave like a new kind of cloud bill. A few rogue words can embed sleep agent triggers in AI models, making them hostile in undetectable ways. That is Emad Mostaque on the X. Translation: your data pipeline is part HR background check, part hazmat suit. The security team just got a new recurring meeting. Discipline shows up in the tooling too. LangChain's observability platform is becoming the black box recorder for agents, with real metrics on behavior, failure modes, and effectiveness. If you run production agents, treat this like Datadog for your reasoning stack, because silent errors are where money goes to die. Llama Index's parser now handles massive async PDF ingestion, which means enterprise buildouts can move from a few thousand docs to millions without babysitting jobs. That is the difference between a demo and a deployment. On the front end, Google's Stitch Design Agent can output working interactive prototypes and push to AI Studio, cutting design to dev time. For product teams, that compresses iteration cycles and opens a new ad surface risk UI that must label and separate sponsored actions. Proof that scale is real, Sierra says. Hello Minter's agent handled a 387% spike in conversations. If customer service is your first agent workload, plan capacity like Black Friday, not like a beta. Thin context compaction and tighter loops matter when load surges. One research note to bookmark. Attention can be made roughly 99% sparser without performance loss with cleaner circuits. If this holds in production, your inference bill drops and interpretability improves a rare 2-for-1. The true line is consistent. Revenue pressures, legal exposure, and ops maturity are converging, and the winners will treat all three as the same problem: control. Have a tip or a story we should cover? Send it our way. One question for you. Given ads moving into assistants and courts policing data, where will you place your next dollar? Distribution, licensing, or reliability tooling? I'm Ting Yan, and this is Chain of Thought. See you tomorrow.